Hello everybody. You're probably here because you Googled or searched how to change an electrical outlet. I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to do that and properly do it safe. You're going to want to grab a plug tester or some way of testing to make sure the outlet or the power is off. So I'm going to plug this in. The lights are on, which indicates that it is on, and the circuit is okay and it's wired properly, which the lights demonstrate. I'm going to turn the power off. Now that the power is off, you can take the outlet apart. The wires will be attached to the outlet either on the sides, under some screws, or they'll be stabbed into the back. Either way, you're going to want to take the wires off of the outlet. If they are curled, you'll want to leave the curl because you'll put that back on the new outlet. If you want, you can even take a picture of the outlet before you take the wires off, just to make sure that you put the wires back on the correct side. And you grab your new outlet, and yes, it is a new outlet. Behind me and you couldn't really tell. The neutral will go on the same side as the ground, which goes under the ground goes under the green screw, and the neutral, the white wire, will go underneath your silver colored screws, and the hot goes on the other side. The hot will usually be a black wire, but could also be another colored wire. Once the wires are on there snug, tuck the wires back into the box. Make sure the ground wire, the bare copper one, isn't touching any of the screws on the side. Once it's on, put the plate in. Plug in the plug tester. Turn the power back on. The lights indicate that the power is on, and that's how you properly change an outlet. If you want more household tips, make sure you follow my page below. Thank you.